Before you start the series, I am assuming you have basic knowledge of PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To run the Laravel locally, you have to install PHP, MySQL, Apache Server locally. You can install it manually one by one, or you can use a software like Gem or Worm Server or Laragon. I personally prefer Laragon. I install it. This is the UI of the Laragon. Beside this installation, you have to install Node.js for npm package manager and Composer for dependency PHP manager. And if you prefer to use Table Plus for MySQL database control, you can use it, or you can use PHP MyAdmin. Let's go to the UI of the Laragon. You have to then start all. Then you can go to the terminal directly. It will open the root directory of the Laragon. Then you can run the Composer global require Laravel installer. To install the Laravel easily, and you can go to the root directory from here. Then you have to click in the mouse right side, then open in terminal to open the root directory here as well.